Wix.com, a leading website builder and hosting platform, embarked on a remarkable journey to harness the power of SEO and achieve astounding financial success. In this case study, we'll unveil the secrets behind Wix.com's phenomenal success story, demonstrating how SEO strategies played a pivotal role in their journey to generating well over $1 billion in revenue. Before we dive in, let's see what Ahrefs can tell us about Wix.com. As you can see from these statistics taken from the last 6 months, domain rating, meaning the strength of Wix.com's backlink profile compared to the other websites in Ahrefs database on a 100-point logarithmic scale is 95. UR rating shows the strength of Wix.com's backlink profile on a 100-point logarithmic scale, which is 73. Backlinks, meaning the total number of links from other websites pointing towards Wix.com, is 28.9 million. Ref domains, meaning the total number of unique domains linking to Wix.com, is 839,000. Keywords, meaning the total number of keywords that Wix.com ranks for in the top 100 organic search results, is 472,000. Traffic, meaning the estimated number of monthly visits Wix.com gets from organic search, is 5 million. And here you can see Wix.com's top pages, how much traffic each page gets, and volume. Introduction to Wix.com and the power of SEO. Wix.com aimed to empower individuals and businesses to create stunning websites easily. The cornerstone to their success, SEO. Wix.com's SEO journey begins. Wix.com started small but dreamed big. In their early days, they faced stiff competition in the web development industry. However, they recognized the potential of SEO as a game changer. Early SEO initiatives. Wix.com optimized its website for search engines, laying the foundation for its SEO journey. Challenges faced, competition was fierce, but Wix.com saw SEO as a long-term strategy that would eventually set them apart. The strategic SEO approach. Wix.com formulated a comprehensive SEO strategy that included the following: in-depth keyword research, understanding user search queries to optimize content, consistent high-quality content creation, regularly publishing informative and engaging content, user-friendly website design, ensuring websites were fast, mobile responsive, and easy to navigate. Mobile optimization, recognizing the importance of mobile friendliness. Backlink building, building a strong backlink profile through white hat tactics. Local SEO, tailoring strategies to target specific markets. Tracking success. Wix.com closely monitored their progress by tracking key metrics, which included organic traffic growth, an essential indicator of SEO success. Search engine ranking improvements, aimed for higher SERP positions. Conversion rate optimization, focused on converting visitors into paying customers. Expansion of user base, analyzed user demographics and behavior. The case study results. The fruits of Wix.com's SEO endeavors were impressive. Impressive growth statistics, significant increase in traffic, revenue, and market share. Financial achievements. Wix.com reached the remarkable milestone of generating over $1 billion in revenue, thanks in large to their SEO efforts. Key takeaways. Everyone can draw valuable insights from Wix.com's journey. The importance of consistent high-quality content, the significance of mobile optimization, the value of local SEO for targeted growth, the need to track and adapt SEO strategies over time. In conclusion, Wix.com's billion-dollar success story through SEO serves as testament to the enduring power of organic traffic. SEO isn't a quick fix. It's a long-term investment with remarkable potential. If you found this case study inspiring and informative, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.